Hello, everyone, and welcome to Easy English Podcast, the place where you improve your English step by step in a calm, simple, and natural way.
We're very happy you're here today. This lesson is very special because today you will practice real English sentences that native speakers use every single day.
That's right. These are not textbook sentences. These are real-life sentences for real-life situations.
And we will do this together using shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence and then you repeat it out loud.
This is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English speaking. It trains your mouth, your brain, and your confidence.
Today's lesson has 3 parts. Part 1, easy sentences. Part 2, intermediate sentences. Part 3, advanced sentences.
Maya, each part will help you grow step by step. Please don't skip any part. Even easy sentences are important. They build your foundation.
Think of it like building a house. You need strong basics before you build higher levels.
Before we begin, find a quiet place. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath.
And most importantly, speak out loud. Don't just listen. Your voice is the key to improvement.
Are you ready?
Let's begin Part 1.
Part 1. Easy daily sentences. Maya, listen and repeat after me 2 times.
Leo. Sentence 1. I woke up early today. Pause. Repeat. I woke up early today. Pause. Again. I woke up early today.
Maya. Sentence 2. I feel good this morning. Repeat. I feel good this morning. Again. I feel good this morning.
Leo. Sentence 3. I need to get ready. Pause. Repeat. I need to get ready. Pause. Again. I need to get ready.
Maya. Sentence 4. I am washing my face. Repeat. I am washing my face. Again. I am washing my face.
Leo. Sentence 5. I am putting on my shoes. Pause. Repeat. I am putting on my shoes. Pause. Again. I am putting on my shoes.
Very good. You're doing great.
Leo. Sentence 6. I am leaving the house. Pause. Repeat. I am leaving the house. Pause. Again. I am leaving the house.
Maya. Sentence 7. It is a beautiful day. Repeat. It is a beautiful day. Again. It is a beautiful day.
Leo. Sentence 8. I am feeling a little tired. Pause. Repeat. I am feeling a little tired. Pause. Again. I am feeling a little tired.
Maya. Sentence 9. I need some coffee. Repeat. I need some coffee. Again. I need some coffee.
Leo. Sentence 10. I am checking my messages. Pause. Repeat. I am checking my messages. Pause. Again. I am checking my messages.
Excellent work.
Let's continue. Sentence 11. I am going to work. Pause. Repeat. I am going to work. Pause. Again. I am going to work. Sentence 12. I am waiting for the bus. Pause. Repeat. I am waiting for the bus. Pause. Again. I am waiting for the bus.
Sentence 13. The bus is late. Repeat. The bus is late. Again. The bus is late.
Sentence 14. I am listening to music. Pause. Repeat. I am listening to music. Pause. Again. I am listening to music.
Sentence 15. I arrived safely. Repeat. I arrived safely. Again. I arrived safely.
Wonderful. Here is an important sentence. Sentence 16. How are you today? Pause. Repeat. How are you today? Pause. Again. How are you today?
This is one of the most common English questions.
Sentence 17. I am doing well. Pause. Repeat. I am doing well. Pause. Again. I am doing well.
Maya. Sentence 18. Nice to see you. Repeat. Nice to see you. Again. Nice to see you.
Sentence 19. Thank you very much. Pause. Repeat. Thank you very much. Pause. Again. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Repeat. You are welcome. Again. You are welcome.
You just practiced easy daily sentences. This is how real conversations begin.
Now your mouth is warming up. Your brain is switching into English mode.
Part 2. Intermediate daily sentences.
Now let's move to part 2. These sentences are a little longer and more natural.
Leo. Sentence 1. I had a very busy morning. Pause. Repeat. I had a very busy morning. Again. I had a very busy morning.
Maya. Sentence 2. I am working on something important. Repeat. I am working on something important. Again. I am working on something important.
Sentence 3. I need to finish this today. Pause. Repeat. I need to finish this today. Again. I need to finish this today.
Sentence 4. I will call you later. Repeat. I will call you later. Again. I will call you later.
Sentence 5. Can you help me with this? Pause. Repeat. Can you help me with this? Again. Can you help me with this?
Explanation. Help me with this means assist me.
Sentence 6. I really appreciate your help. Pause. Repeat. I really appreciate your help. Again. I really appreciate your help.
Explanation. Appreciate means you are thankful.
Leo. Sentence 7. I am learning something new. Pause. Repeat. I am learning something new. Again. I am learning something new. Sentence 8. This is very interesting. Pause. Repeat. This is very interesting. Again. This is very interesting.
Maya. Sentence 9. I need to improve my English. Repeat. I need to improve my English. Again. I need to improve my English.
Sentence 10. I practice every day. Pause. Repeat. I practice every day. Again. I practice every day.
This sentence is very important. Sentence 11. I am becoming more confident. Repeat. I am becoming more confident. Again. I am becoming more confident.
Explanation. Confident means you believe in yourself.
Maya. Sentence 12. I am not afraid to speak. Repeat. I am not afraid to speak. Again. I am not afraid to speak.
Sentence 13. Mistakes help me learn. Pause. Repeat. Mistakes help me learn. Again. Mistakes help me learn.
Excellent work!
You are improving step by step. Part 3. Advanced real-life sentences.
Maya. Now welcome to part 3. These sentences will help you sound more natural and fluent.
Leo. Sentence 1. I have been practicing English consistently. Pause. Repeat. I have been practicing English consistently. Again. I have been practicing English consistently.
Explanation. Consistently means regularly, without stopping.
Maya. I feel more comfortable speaking now. Pause. Repeat. I feel more comfortable speaking now. Again. I feel more comfortable speaking now. Leo. I am making steady progress. Pause. Repeat. I am making steady progress. Again. I am making steady progress.
Explanation. Steady progress means slow but continuous improvement. Maya. I understand more than before. Repeat. I understand more than before. Again. I understand more than before.
Leo, I am proud of my improvement. Pause. Repeat. I am proud of my improvement. Again. I am proud of my improvement.
Maya. I will continue practicing every day. Repeat. I will continue practicing every day. Again. I will continue practicing every day.
Leo, I believe in myself. Pause. Repeat. I believe in myself. Again. I believe in myself.
Maya. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Repeat. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Again. I am becoming a confident English speaker.
Final motivation. Congratulations.
You did something amazing today. You didn't just listen, you practiced.
Every time you repeat sentences, your brain creates new English connections.
Your mouth becomes faster.
Your confidence becomes stronger.
Remember, fluency is not magic. It is practice.
Practice every day, even 10 minutes.
And you will see incredible results.
Thank you for joining Easy English Podcast.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing
Keep improving.
and keep speaking English.